Hello folks, and welcome to another video from AriaVision. It has been a long time that I've created been created some videos, so let's start with the first app. Alright, so the first app called Groupy. What you can do with the Groupy, you can organize multiply applications into grouped tabs on your Windows desktop. On the Mac you have already that option, you can do that on the Mac, but now you can also with the group you can do that on Windows. Alright, so I will show you guys that I'm using three different browsers. So as you can see that I got three different browsers into one tab. So here's with Firefox, Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So it's actually very handy for the web designers who need to test the website that they're creating into different platforms. So it is very handy. Also we stick to that to the designers. Okay, I got here also a group of Adobe After Effects. I got I can also add Photoshop, and I got Dreamweaver, which is actually a platform that the web designers using for coding stuff. Alright, so okay, also you can just create a tab of Microsoft, which I'm using as well. So I got here Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and also on all the tabs you can just add some different app as well if you would like. So just click on the say add to the group and you can just add them. It is very you can just do a lot of things with it. So I would say just try it, and then you can just find it self. Alright, so the Groupy is actually for 30 days. It's free, so you can just get them for 30 days for free, as I said before. And after that you just need to pay 5.96 euros. It is in Europe, and I think $5 in the US. So if I'm not wrong, yeah. So let's check the price to be precisely. Okay, it's $5.99 for euro and $5 in US dollars. All right, so let's move on to the next app.
Alright, so the next app is Franz. Franz is your messaging app for WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Slack, Telegraph, Gmail, Outlook. So you can just add actually all your social media or your emails into one app. Okay, so that is actually, you need to download Franz app, create your free account, and you got access to all these apps that you can use as well: WhatsApp, Messenger, Slack. It's just inside one app you got all your apps and your workspace, so you can just use all of them in one.
Okay, we all know that Windows 10 is a nice tool that is called snapping tool, but with ShareX you can do actually pretty much more than what snapping tool is doing. So for example, if you go to the capture, you can not only use functions like for region functions, screen recording in a GIF, but also you can set up on the auto capture. So if you want to capture something in at some time, it will capture you on the auto mode. But another best option of this one is that you can choose where your recording or screenshots need to be uploaded after it's done. So please try the tool. It is available on Microsoft Store, and also on the link I will put it below.
AirTrumpet is another amazing piece of application. So with the AirTrumpet you can control volume of different apps separately. So okay, just by example, you're just going to volume, and you can click there, and you see all applications you're using. You can control the volume of each of them separately. So if you're listening something on the Chrome, you can just put it up or put it down. So there you go, please check it out. Alright, so if you're out of space on your C drive or on your Alright, so if you're out of space on your C drive and you don't know which files are taking that space, you should download WizTree from antibodysoftware.com. Alright, so when you download it, install it, then you need to press on scan. It will exactly show you which file take how many GB. So you can just by here you can see that C drive is at 180 GB in total. 71 GB is used by user. If I open that one, I can see on which folder which files are there and which files are kept. So if I click here on individual files, so that is one of the videos that I have created. You can see here on the legend as well what it is. Okay, so that is one of the files which takes actually 11.7 GB. So then you can just go to the folder and delete the folder.